How to grow hair faster. 6 tips for growth. We are born with the total amount of hair follicles we will never have over our lifetime. There may be about 5 million on our body, but our head has about 1 lakh follicles. As we age, some follicles stop producing hair, which is how baldness or hair thinning occur. The American Academy of Dermatology says that hair grows about half inch per month on average. That's a grand total of about 6 inches per year for the hair on your head. How fast your hair grows will depend on you, age, specific hair type, overall health, other health conditions. Science has discovered a little bit about how hair growth is controlled at the cellular level in the body, but not enough to know how we can directly speed up hair growth. Read on to learn about the science behind hair growth and how to use that knowledge for healthier hair. How to make your hair grow stronger. Hair is made up of keratin and dead skin cells. While there is no direct method to make your hair grow faster overnight, these are steps you can take to keep your hair healthy and long. Talk to your doctor before trying supplements such as biotin, keratin, or other nutritional supplements. They may interact with medications and cause unintended side effects. Number 1. Keep up with vitamins and nutrition. While many companies promote vitamins or supplements for hair growth, they don't always directly affect hair length, but the body does require a lot of energy to make your hair grow. Missing out on balanced meals and nutrition can affect hair growth. Apply essential oil. Put a few drops of into your shampoo to dilute it with jojoba oil. One study showed that pumpkin seed trusted sources increased hair count for men with hair loss by 40%. Avoid applying essential oils directly to your skin. You can dilute the oil with a few drops of essential oil per ounce of carrier oil. 2 other oils that may help include rosemary trusted sources and peppermint trust sources oil. While the trials have been animal studies, results suggest that these oils may benefit hair growth. You can also mix these essential oil with other carrier oils that prevent trusted sources hair damage such as coconut, sunflower, mineral, castor. Number 3. Try topical ointments. Topical ointments are generally for people experiencing hair loss. They may help your hair grow. Studies show that these products are effective in treating alopecia or hair loss and promoting hair growth. Topical melatonin reduced trusted source hair loss and increased hair density. Topical minoxidil 5% slows trusted sources hair loss. Propecia ketoconazole shampoo. Number 4. Take keratin supplements. There are many studies on the effect of protein, keratin, and vitamins on hair health. One study looked on the product that had 500 milligrams of keratin and other vitamins and minerals. The group that took the supplements showed 12.5% reduction in hair loss, 5.9% improved in hair strength, improved hair brightness and luster. Number 5. Use protein. Protein helps your hair grow and protect it from chemical and environmental damage. If you style or apply heat to your hair often, using a protein treat can protect your hair. You can purchase these online or use coconut oil at home. Coconut oil helps reduce trusted sources. Proteins lost both before and after washing hair. Too much protein can affect your kidneys. It may cause your hair to become brittle. Although this is rare, it's best to get protein from your diet and not supplements. You can get protein from vegetables, nuts, yogurts, and other foods. Number 6. Caffeinate your follicles. Studies are still new on the effect of caffeine on hair growth, but a cell found that caffeine may have growth promoting effects on hair. Using hair products with caffeine like this shampoo by ABC Crew as an ingredients may help.